So I'm probably going to get hate for this one, but sorry, it needs to be said. Affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. I have seen way too many people enroll into something with the mindset of, I need money now, 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 right? They join into some program, and if they don't make money within their first 7 days, immediately they quit, they throw in the towel, they claim it's a scam, it doesn't work, and then they jump onto something else, and then they look and chase the next shiny object. Now, this might not actually be your fault because there's so many people in this space claiming that they've made 10K their first month, 20K, right? And they immediately became successful within 30 days, right? It seems like they've had overnight success. But in reality, understand that is most likely not the case for most people. It is possible you can have success within your first 30 days, but understand that for the most part, you have to be willing to follow a proven blueprint and you must be consistent. The more consistent that you are, the more consistent your results will be. The good news is, in the long term, if you want, let's say, 6 months down the road, you could reach a point where maybe you work 1 hour a day and then you take the rest of the day off, right? And because you have your online business set up properly, you were able to get paid over and over and over again from work that you did several months back. And then your work from when you first got started compounds over time and you're able to spend more time with family because you have your business set up properly. Now, if you want to see how I do that, if you want to see how I've been able to go full-time just a few months back, hit the follow button and comment I'm in, and I will give you my exact step-by-step blueprint for free that shows you exactly how I've been able to go full-time online and how you could follow it as a complete newbie, even if you are non-techy, even if you are not good with social media. I have everything broken down into simple, bite-sized pieces. You just have to follow and implement day 1, day 2, day 3, so on and so forth.